Hello there lads and lasses, welcome back to another video, and as you can see I've got a bit of a different background behind me. So the car has been moved from the last time you've seen it. Not much has gone on, if I'm honest, other than me cleaning it and putting it away for winter. That is the only thing that seems to have gone on. So let me flip you around here. I forgot my tripod today, so got it all open, everything like that. Now the good thing is today is, as you know, I've had some immobiliser problems, and here it is. So, pardon the boot. I've just came here today because it was delivered today, so you can see it's been done by a company called ECU Decode. Hopefully, if I point the camera to it so you can actually see it, hopefully it's now solved. So my camera's dying, but hopefully today we can actually get the car started. Right, okay, so I'm rushing a little now because my camera's flashing at me telling me I'm about to die in 30 seconds, but there is the new immobiliser. It's all back, well, I say new immobiliser, but the ECU that's been reprogrammed. So I'm going to stick the battery in the car for a start and then wire it up. Hopefully we get start. Hopefully. Okay, so everything down there that I unplugged, which was a bit unnecessary, all plugged back in. Immobiliser's back behind the dash. ECU is officially fitted in. I haven't disconnected those yet, but it doesn't matter, they'll still blink. But the car should start. We're in park. Let's see what happens. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Turn it all the way around. Come on. Pump the fuel. Pump the fuel. Start for me. Oh, she's going. Ish. I'll start her again. Just for a little bit of background here. I'd done some diagnosis on the car and found that it was the fuel relay. So I went in the back, took the relay out, give it a bash, still not working. And then I just grabbed a jumper wire, just a bit of copper, bent it up and stuck it in the where the contacts are meant to be for the relay, and that ended up activating the fuel pump. So we'll play from where I left off in the last video, but a bit more advanced. Okay, this is going to have to be a very quick manoeuvre here. So I've got it working, however it looks as if I've got a dead fuel pump relay, so I need to run into the back and shove a jumper wire in as fast as I possibly can. So I'm going to stick you on the centre console here. Here's my jumper wire. I'm going to go and fucking do it quick. Haha! Ah, I have to go and remove that jumper before I burn out the pump. There's the fuel pump running again, bloody hell. That little wire's gotten a bit warm, I have to be honest there. But that's the first time she's ran. There she is. I had all of that fucking open. No need to have that open, but she runs. I'm just going to see if I can figure out a different relay or something like that for her. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I'm bounced off my fucking rocker. God, this is the fucking video I've been waiting for. Bloody hell. Oh, right. I'll see you in a moment when I've figured out a different solution. Ignore that. It's been repaired. Ignore that. Well, lads and lasses, we've got good news. Incredibly good news. The car starts. But it left me puzzled the first time, which you'll remember. Hang on. Oh. Yeah, it's not the ignition's now on properly. Anyway, when I first tried to start it, what was happening is there was actually no fuel getting to the engine. I know this thing's incredibly empty, and it also doesn't help that it's sitting like that. My little adapter, little thing that I made here, jumper, works surprisingly well, but if I don't want the pump to run out, I should probably not do that anymore. Yeah, I just took the relay out and jumped it because I was like, oh, I'm not sodding about with the relay for ages. Anyway, I got a dead fuel pump relay, and I've just realised this music's going to get me copyrighted. Dead fuel pump relay, however, I would rather know that the engine starts with the current ECU and everything like that than have fuel problems than have no answer to the situation whatsoever. Hang on. My locking works. That's good. So, yeah. I'll see you in the next video where hopefully we diagnose this fuel pump relay. There's pretty much nothing else for me to do. Oh, that's locked the entire car. Now I'm messing about. Well, I need the engine to run for those bloody hydraulic things back there. They're not hydraulic, they're pneumatic or something like that. So is the locking mechanism, because Mercedes in it. But I don't think I've ever actually talked you through the interior, so just before I let you go, you can see, so that is your headrest. It needs to be running. But what happens is, if you're trying to reverse a new car and seeing someone's put the headrests up, you can click that and they go bang like that, straight back. Heater controls, there was absolutely no point in me putting water in the radiator because it didn't run long enough and I need more fuel. Radio, as per usual. FM transmitter, because I can't be arsed getting a new radio. And, oh. Hey! At least another thing. Oh, hang on. Half the fucking lights want replacing. Oh, no. Yay. Even the light behind that wants replacing. The temperature thing down there, this car never came with a temperature probe, which I found out. So, oh, there you go. Oh, well then, lads and lasses, a bit more of an informal YouTube video today, but I was that excited that I got my immobiliser back. I literally, just as soon as it came, I got in the car and came here just so this would work. So I'll see you in the next video where we do that fuel pump relay, hopefully, and maybe there's a little bit of metal working while we're at it. Bye bye, lads and lasses. See you in another one.